Welcome back to Color Vistas. Sublimation on magnets is a fantastic way to combine creativity with practicality, offering endless opportunities for custom designs, whether for personal projects, gifts, or promotional items. Magnets are versatile, vibrant, and highly functional, making them a popular choice for sublimation enthusiasts. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step through the process of sublimating on magnets, from selecting materials to achieving flawless results. By the end, you'll be ready to create stunning custom magnets with confidence. Let's get started. Sublimation magnets are made possible through special polymer-coated magnet sheets. These sheets allow sublimation ink to bond effectively during heat transfer, ensuring a vibrant and durable design. To begin, you'll need sublimation-ready magnet sheets, sublimation ink, sublimation paper, heat-resistant tape, a heat press, and your desired design. You can choose pre-cut shapes like circles, squares, or rectangles, or opt for larger magnet sheets that can be customized and cut to size after sublimation. The first step is designing your artwork. Magnets offer a small canvas, so simple and bold designs work best. Whether it's logos, text, or decorative patterns, high-resolution images ensure crisp and clear results. Use software like Photoshop, Canva, or Illustrator to create your design. If you're including text or intricate details, remember to mirror the design before printing. This ensures everything appears correctly once transferred onto the magnet. Print your design onto sublimation paper using sublimation ink. Set your printer to the highest quality settings for the best results, and let the print dry completely before handling. While the ink dries, prepare the magnet sheet by wiping it with a lint-free cloth or rubbing alcohol. This step removes any dust or residue that could interfere with the sublimation process. Next, position the sublimation paper face down on the magnet sheet, aligning it carefully to ensure proper placement. Secure the paper with heat-resistant tape to prevent shifting during the heat transfer process. For the heat press, set the temperature to approximately 375 degrees to 400 degrees. Cover the magnet sheet with a Teflon sheet or parchment paper to protect the press from ink transfer. Apply firm, even pressure for about 60 seconds, allowing the heat and pressure to turn the sublimation ink into gas and bond it with the polymer coating. Once the timer goes off, carefully remove the magnet sheet from the heat press. It will be hot, so use heat-resistant gloves. Allow the sheet to cool slightly before peeling back the sublimation paper to reveal your design. The result should be a vibrant, high-resolution image seamlessly bonded to the magnet's surface. One of the great things about sublimation magnets is their versatility. You can create custom fridge magnets featuring family photos, inspirational quotes, or fun patterns. Businesses can use sublimation magnets for branding, promotional giveaways, or as unique business cards. For seasonal projects, holiday-themed magnets are always a hit, making them great for gifting or selling. If you're working with larger magnet sheets, you can maximize your materials by sublimating a single large design and then cutting it into smaller pieces. This approach is perfect for creating sets of themed magnets or saving costs by producing multiple items from one sheet. Use scissors or a cutting machine for precise edges. For added creativity, consider using pre-cut templates to guide your design and cutting process. When it comes to caring for sublimated magnets, they're designed to last. The sublimation process embeds the ink into the polymer coating, making the design resistant to scratches and fading. However, to keep them looking their best, avoid exposing them to excessive moisture or direct sunlight for prolonged periods. A quick wipe with a damp cloth is usually all that's needed to maintain their vibrant appearance. Sublimation magnets are an excellent project for beginners and seasoned crafters alike. They're simple to make, affordable, and versatile, making them ideal for personal use or as products to sell. Their compact size makes them easy to produce in batches, whether you're crafting for fun, creating gifts, or launching a small business. The creative possibilities are endless, from elegant photo magnets to quirky designs that reflect your personality. For those looking to experiment further, you can try layering sublimation designs, combining bold colors, or adding intricate patterns. Magnets are also a great way to test new design ideas on a small scale before committing to larger projects. Whether you're creating for fun or exploring a new business opportunity, sublimation magnets are a fantastic way to showcase your creativity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the description for links to recommended sublimation products and other helpful resources where applicable. Visit my website for more guides and inspiration on sublimation. Link is in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your favorite sublimation magnet ideas in the comments. See you in the next video.